Okay guys, so when we are cleaning the kitchen, I typically recommend starting from left to right or right to left. It's just gonna keep you on track, especially if you're dealing with ADHD. And so I always recommend, let's start moving in one direction. Don't start working on the island and then coming back and then going forth and then going back. I'm simply gonna go ahead and take everything off, put things where they belong, and then I will go ahead and spray it down, wipe it down, and then put things back that should be on the counters back, and then continue onto the island. So for the cleaner, I've actually been making my own with this bamboo and birch pure castle peppermint scent soap, and this is the bottle that I've been using. They have a lavender one and an unscented one if you want to use like different essential oils with it, but I like the way this smells. It makes the area smell really clean. I have been using this everywhere, so I'm almost out, and I am gonna have to refill it. And then I just had my label maker just put like a little label there. But this, what's really cool about it is that Bamboo and Birch actually has a website with all the recipes of everything that you can possibly make with it. I'll link it here for you guys, and I definitely recommend it. I'll have a link for their bigger containers, because this is one of their smaller containers, believe it or not. You can buy it in bulk, which is nice. I'll have all of that link for you guys, and then also the different bottles and containers that you can use. I just recycled this one because I already had it. I just cleaned everything through it, and then I've just been using it. But if you want different bottles for different areas in your house, then I have some link for you guys on some really cool ones, and then also my label maker. Okay, so if you're looking for a natural paste to make at home with ingredients that you probably already have, if you already have the castle soap, then you're gonna need that, but then you can have some baking soda in there. We're gonna mix this in, and we are going to make our paste. And I'm not going to add much water to it, but I am going to spray down the stove first, and then lay some of this on it, and then just use a sponge and mildly scrub this. The consistency has to be kind of like a paste, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So this is my natural at-home paste that you can just make from what you probably already have at home. Now, when you have stainless steel appliances, I'm actually going to go ahead and try the same cleaner and see if it works out. I've used other cleaners, other polishers that I really recommend. They're really nice, but I'm curious to see if this is going to work out. Now, this one, you can see all the fingerprints. You can see kind of like all of the stains. So we're going to go ahead and just give it a good cleaning and see if that works.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year.
Okay guys, so I've shared this over on TikTok and I'm actually going to talk a little bit about it here. A lot of you guys on Instagram have also asked me about this acrylic calendar and how we use it. I think this would be the perfect one to use either for your cleaning schedule if you like to see it like right in front of you, or better yet, since it's going to be going on the fridge because it is magnetic, use it for family reminders, for meal planning, and anything that needs to be communicated throughout the family. So definitely recommend it. I'll have it linked for you guys below. I think it's a good deal. It was actually like less than 10 bucks and it came with all the markers, so this one's a good one. I wanted to take a quick little break of cleaning and show you guys my little label maker because it is so adorable, and I can definitely see somebody gifting this to someone else who loves to stay organized and label everything. This is a Nimbud B21 label printer and it comes in various colors. I'm looking at it right now on my phone. It comes in black, red, white, and green, which is so cute. But you basically feed the labels through it, and then you have an app on your phone where you can actually design it. You can put different icons and different kind of borders and everything, which is nice. So I'll link it for you guys. It's really cute. I like using it for the labels for my cleaners, my pantry, my homeschool stuff. All of that gets labels from this. Okay, for the sink, I'm actually going to go in and actually use the same paste I used earlier because it's going to take care of all of the gunk that's around here. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut half a lemon and put it in there to make it smell nice. Thank you guys so much for following along, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so that you can see any new video that gets posted weekly, and I do post weekly. And also, if you're interested in any of the templates, visit my website at Home.Cleaningtips, which will be listed down below as well. I have tons of freebies on my website. I do a lot of blog posts, and also follow me on Instagram just to follow me on daily cleanings and cleaning schedules. And until next time, bye.